You are exactly one emotional decision away from destroying months of hard work. I know this because right now you are trying to convince yourself that the very next trade is the one that fixes everything. It isn't. It's the one that breaks you completely. We need to talk about the most dangerous lie in the entire trading industry. It's that little whisper in your ear after you take a painful loss, telling you that if you just size up and go heavy this one time, you can wipe the slate clean and get it all back. But let me ask you a very serious question. Be honest with yourself. When was the last time revenge trading actually worked out for you? When was the last time you traded out of pure, blind anger and the market actually rewarded your lack of discipline? The exact moment you try to force the market to pay you back for a loss, you have completely stopped trading. You have officially crossed the line from a professional risk manager into a degenerate gambler. You stop looking for high-probability setups. You stop checking your daily bias. You just stare at the flickering candles, desperately pulling the lever of the slot machine, hoping the algorithm will magically grant you a jackpot to heal your ego. And because you are trading on pure emotion, you enter a terrible position. Deep down, in your gut, you know the trade is completely invalid, but your finger clicks the mouse anyway because the pain of doing nothing feels worse than the risk of losing. Immediately, the position goes against you. You are instantly in a massive drawdown. Your heart is pounding against your ribs, your palms are sweating, and you are completely paralyzed by the fear of blowing your account.
This is the turning point where accounts go to die. Instead of taking the loss like a professional and protecting your capital, you commit the ultimate cardinal sin. You reach out, click your stop loss, and you drag it further away.
You tell yourself you are just giving the trade room to breathe, but that is just another lie. You aren't giving the trade room to breathe. You are actively suffocating your own trading account because your ego refuses to admit it was wrong. The market is a cold, calculating machine. It does not care about your rent, it does not care about your dreams, and it certainly does not care about your hopes. It simply moves to areas of liquidity, crushing anyone who stands in the way without a plan. The massive red candle forms. It rips through your account equity like a chainsaw. Your screen freezes, the broker notification pops up, and it is over. You have officially blown the account again.
Then comes the silence. You sit alone in your room, staring at a red screen. The anger fades, replaced by a hollow, sickening feeling of heavy regret in your stomach. You knew exactly what you were supposed to do, and you failed to do it.
The market did not take your money today. The algorithm did not hunt you down. You took your own money, put it on a silver platter, and voluntarily handed it to a more disciplined trader. If you want to survive in this industry, you have to fundamentally change what you consider a win. Making money is not a win. Following your trading plan with absolute robotic precision, that is the only true win. Before you ever click the buy or sell button, you must completely and totally accept the risk. You must mentally write that money off as gone. If you cannot accept the risk, you have absolutely no business being in the trade. Profitable trading is not exciting. It is not an action movie. It is an incredibly boring, highly repetitive routine of waiting for your exact edge to appear, executing it flawlessly, and doing nothing else. When you take a normal, planned loss, you don't fight back. You don't seek revenge. You close your laptop, you stand up from your desk, and you walk away. Your mental capital is infinitely more valuable than your financial capital. Your only job in this market is survival. If you can survive the drawdown periods without doing something incredibly stupid, the winning streaks will naturally take care of themselves. Protect your chips so you can play tomorrow. Stop looking for the holy grail indicator. Stop jumping from strategy to strategy. The Holy Grail is not on your charts, it is inside your head. It is the ability to master your own impulses. You have the power to break this destructive cycle today. Forgive yourself for the blown accounts. Burn your ego to the ground and commit to being the disciplined, robotic trader you are meant to be.